students. I am Dr. Aarti Lokhande, Assistant Professor from Department of Commerce, Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandir, Srimati Pushpatai Hire Mahila College, Malegaon Camp District, Nashik. Today we will see the functions of management. It is the subtopic from the subject of principles of management. Functions of management. When we see what is management. Management is nothing but the work done from others. Management, it is the distinct process consisting of planning, organizing, directing, staffing and controlling the performing to determine and accomplishing the objectives by the use of people and resources of the organization. Everybody seen this slide. There are the important 5 functions of management. The first one is the planning, second organizing, third staffing, fourth directing and the fifth one is the controlling. We will see one by one. The first one is planning. Planning is the first function of management. The activities of the organization start with planning. Planning is regarded as a process of making decisions on what is to be done, when and how. Whenever the organization get the answers of these questions, means that organization's planning is fruitful. The second one is organizing. Organizing is nothing but to organize. Organizing is primarily concerned with the assignment of work among the people or among the employees of the organization. The third one is the staffing. Staffing is one of the most important elements of the function of the management. There are important 2 functions in the staffing. The first one is the only ensures availability of required human force at all times, and as well as it helps in securing capable and qualitative human inputs through effective recruitment and selection. The fourth one is directing. Everyone knows the direction are very important in our life as well as in the organization, as like in the organization, directing also the most important role play. That means directing literally putting or moving into action. 2 basic essentials in the direction. The first one is the primarily contribute to success in the function, and that is the effective communication with people and understanding what motivates their behavior. And the last one is the controlling. Controlling is very important function, and this is the last function. When we see this slide, means the set standards, measure performance, compare performance, take corrective action, means it is the last function of management. Lastly, we see the controlling is very much concerned with the examining, observing, reviewing, measuring and evaluating the performance of the people according to the operational plan for the achievement of their predetermined goals.